Guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make a website, the fastest way to make a website in 2022. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started now. Are you looking to make a website? Starting a website can be terrifying tough, especially when you are not techy. Don't try it. Don't worry, you are not alone. This guide is useful for users of all ages and skills levels. However, if you need help, then you can contact our expert team to help you start up your website for free. If you want to do it by yourself, then please continue to follow our step-by-step guide on how to make a website. Before we started creating a website, let's cover some of the most commonly asked questions that we get. Why do I need a build website? You will need the following three things to start a WordPress site. A domain name, WordPress hosting, 45 minutes of your undivided attention. How much does a website cost? The answer to this question is really depends on the kind of website you are trying to build. What is the best website platform? There are many website builders available that will help you set up a website. We recommended using self-hosted WordPress as your website platform. How to make a most create a website tutorial. This is the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a website. We have divided into different steps, and we will walk you through everything from a website to finish. How to create a website. Number one step. One of the most common mistakes that beginners make are choosing the wrong website platform. Thankfully, you are here so you will not to make this mistake. For most users, a self-hosted WordPress.org site is the perfect solution. It comes with thousands of designs and add-ons which allows you to create any kind of website you can think. If a WordPress is a free, well then where is the cost coming from? WordPress is free because you will have to arrange your own custom domain name and web hosting provider which cost money. From more on this topic, see our video. A domain name is your website address on the internet. That is what your users will type in their browser to reach your site. Next, you will need to website hosting. All website on the internet needs a web hosting to store their website files. This will be a website home on the internet. A domain name typically costs $14.99 per year and hosting costs from $7.99 per month. This is a lot for most people who are just starting out. Thankfully, Bluehost has agreed to offer your user for free domain name and offer 60% off on web hosting. So guys, this is the basic information that we have shared with you. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on how to make money and you can earn a lot of money from online. So take care, goodbye.